Well, Dad, look at the booster
I know.
bar.
I know. Has Nat been on it?
What?
Has Nat been on it? Oh.
Last time she won, it was too long.
Oh.
Showing him some of the cargo we're shipping.
Showing him our cargo? Well, of course you are, my friend. We here at the Rocket Transport Solutions have nothing to hide.
Right, that's what I said.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go.
Wait for the bag. Wait for the bag.
Wanted to march off high.
Nah.
I will never send them any place dangerous. They might damage the ship. And them too. Yes, well, this is why I started my own company. To have ridiculous conversations when they're talking trash to me. Yes, indeed. Loud and clear.
We're in a bit of a situation. First order.
The first order. Excellent.
We're authorized to pick up the cargo.
Picking up the cargo. Good.
And none of us have even been in here. Well,
Hello. Alrighty, we're all in. Good. Pilots, gunners, engineers. You guys are going to be flight crew green. Listen for your color green. They'll call it when the cockpit's ready for you. Head on in. Good luck. Okay. Flight crew green. Feel free to trade with each other if you want to work at different. Okay. Do we go this way for green? Yep. Welcome to the Millennium Falcon. This is crazy. What color did we get? Green. Green. Thank you. Look at that. Orange. Look at the table.
That's.
they just said
What are you assigning today?
I'm a gunner.
Pilot. You guys can be engineers.
They said,
Sure.
Grandma, are you a gunner or a pilot?
They're gunners.
we'll be gone. They said,
Hey Pete, can I get a photo? Yeah. Well, I was gonna say, can I get a photo?
here, I'll just give me your phone.
Where are we? Hold on.
Real quick. Check this side. No, hold on, your camera's right.
Oh my god.
Green.
Yellow right over there. Green, come on up. For the Millennium Falcon.
1 and 2.
No, don't put my mom a pilot.
Okay, I'll be a pilot with Sam.
Come on up to the front. Right here. Gunners be right behind us, and our engineers in the back. All right, crew, go ahead all the way down the hallway to the left. Hondo has your briefing for you up ahead. Good luck.
Thank you. Morning. What?
Did you want to get around me?
No.
That's crazy.
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am
First of all, our supervisor, our engineer.
Thank
Once
you.
we're in, guys, let's get our seatbelts on.
All right.
The faster we get our seatbelts on, the faster we can get out of here to go make Hondo some money. Alright, pilots, when your seatbelts are on, pull on the yellow straps, make sure we're nice and locked. Perfect, go and activate your console there, pilots. Gunners, pull on the yellow straps, make sure we're nice and locked. Perfect, go and activate your console.
Oh, she's not in yet.
I got you, miss. I got you, miss. We're okay, we're okay.
How do you, where is?
hurry now. Time is money.
Oh no. I got you. We're good, want to make safe before we go make money for Hondo, guys.
All right.
Go and have fun. Click the green button. Click the green button.
Hit your orange button, Mom.
Pardon me?
Hit your orange button and then hold on.
I don't think he actually do it.
You do something. You gotta wait. You gotta wait till touch.
Flight engineers, prepare test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was trying to say that pilot on the right. Stick to fly up. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go with that coaxium.
Light speed.
Pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Papa. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train.
I got one!
Fire the harpoon.
Get the cargo!
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends.
Get it!
Power up the ship. I am the crab, the gold axiom. You see, just as I promised, the resistance has ready. Make a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's ready. Keep shooting.
Yes!
Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing.
Matt, you know how to fly this thing?
Hit the boosters. Boost. Fancy up. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
How many kills did you get?
I don't know. Where do you see? Accuracy 34%.
Yeah, but you were an automatic.
8.
You were an automatic.
What does that mean?
I mean, it automatically shot them.
The kills 960.
Oh! All right, I am making an executive decision.
Hi guys,
Everybody out. Go on, get out.
Personal belongings right this way.
Thank you. It was awesome. Thank you so much.
All available techs. We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
That was wild. That was you. You're bad.
I just closed my eyes.
You can watch it on video. I got it on video. Isn't that amazing? The detail? I watched your stuff.
This is a lot of field.